Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson SV14 and place it on a flat surface. This will make the process easier and safer. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. If you encounter any resistance, use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open. Now, you will see the battery. Disconnect the battery by pulling the connector gently. If the battery is stuck, wiggle it slightly to loosen it. Once disconnected, take the new battery and connect it to the same connector. Make sure it clicks into place securely. Before reassembling, take a moment to clean the internal compartment with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting performance. This is a great opportunity to ensure your vacuum is in top condition. After cleaning, place the battery cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. If you find that you don't have the necessary tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with the battery replacement process. Once the cover is secured, plug in your Dyson SV14 and allow it to charge for a few hours before using it again. This will ensure the new battery is fully charged and ready for optimal performance. If you prefer, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your vacuum needs. Finally, after the charging period, test your vacuum to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our services are designed to get your Dyson back to working order quickly and efficiently. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the battery on your Dyson SV14 and enjoy a cleaner home with ease. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.